Welcome to Newtown, Pennsylvania on this beautiful second day of July 2021. I know I say beautiful and the sun don't look like it's shining, but it's been a really hot summer and this day is just a tad bit cooler, and I find it to be much easier to work in temperatures that are in the 80s than well over 100 degrees with the real field temperature. So we have a customer here who's renting this house out, and the tile in this bathroom, the grout is missing in some places and loose in others. So we're going to fix that. I'm going to show you how to go about getting the loose grout out, how to repair it, how to put new grout in, and how to make it look like it's been there. Not like this really super bright new grout that's in there. And the trick is the type of grout you're going to be using and the tool that you're going to be using. So stay tuned. I'll show you right after this. This is just a regular multi-tool, which you've all seen me use before. The difference today is that I have a diamond grout remover blade installed on it. Now, why would I need one, you ask? Well, before I answer that question, I want to define four things for you. I want to explain what four things are. First off, masonry. Masonry is anything built in pieces that uses cement to adhere the pieces together or to form pieces. Okay? Grout is a mixture of water, cement, and sand, and it's used to fill cracks. A diamond is composed of pure carbon, and the atomic bonding of the atoms makes the diamond the hardest material that we humans know about. Now, this diamond blade makes it possible to cut through concrete as well as grout. Now, the most interesting part lies with the cement, okay? Cement is made from limestone, which is found naturally. It's on our planet. The limestone's crushed and it's turned into a fine powder-like substance. Once the limestone is in powder form, it's heated to well over 3,500 degrees. I don't know the exact temperature. This causes the hydrogen in the limestone to be released into the atmosphere. And since water is 2 parts hydrogen, 1 part oxygen, mixing water into dry cement causes the cement to regain its missing hydrogen molecules, thus returning the powder back to solid rock again. So, ladies and gentlemen, that's how cement and grout are made, how it works, and why we need this diamond blade to repair it. So you might think, I don't want to do that, I might nick my tile. Well, if you tap your tile with this blade, it's not going to do anything to it. It cuts straight down. Now, you might score the edge of it that's inside the grout line if you hold it there too long, but this is a pretty easy tool to use, and you don't generally destroy your tile. You have to really try to do that. There's a link down in the description for this product on our Amazon page. Feel free to purchase it from there. It helps the channel out. It doesn't cost you any more, but we get a little bit of a kickback from Amazon. So the real trick to getting a good result on this is to use sanded grout in a caulking tube. So it's siliconized sanded grout. This way it has the water protection in it, the adhesion of silicone, but it's a sanded grout at the same time. And you get the color to match your tile. It'll look amazing when you're done. Don't put it on with anything but your finger. Apply it, run your finger across it so it puts that nice little indent in it. Clean up the edge with a damp sponge. Make sure when you wring it out, there's no water left in it. You want it to be completely damp, and you get amazing results, as you can see here. You look at this up close, It is absolutely stunning. It looks beautiful. It looks like we've never touched it. Are you planning on putting a new tile installation in or hiring somebody to do it? It's a good opportunity to order 2, maybe even 3 tubes of siliconized matching grout in a caulking tube. Keep them on hand, not for future use in case you need them, but instead for when you need them. This grout breaks down over time. So do yourself a favor. Get them now so that they match perfectly and the lots are all the same. And save them. You'll thank me later. I also want to add, if your grout is just discolored from like walking on it with shoes and getting like dirt in there, you can get or rent a steamer that's made for taking wallpaper down or cleaning, and you can steam the grout lines and then hit them with like a toothbrush. And often you can get the dirt out and restore your old grout lines so that they look fresh without having to grind them out. So try steaming it first if it's just a color issue that you're dealing with.